Here we have the new Virtue Vio goggle system. This is the cyan color. Today I'm going to be showing you how to customize your mask once you have all the pieces. So here we have the lime and cyan mask, and then the chromatic emerald lens. Alright, so our first step is going to be unhooking the soft ear pieces from the mask. And that's just on this snap button here, so you'll just pull that apart on each side. That gets that done. Next, we're going to unlock the strap. There's two tabs, one on this side and one on this side. You need to depress both of them and then pull on the goggle tabs, or the strap tabs, excuse me, pull those back and it'll release. I'm using needle nose pliers. It's a little hard to get the tabs out on the first couple times on new goggles. There goes the first one. Turn it over. And there goes the second one. And as you can see, when you do that, this flap unlocks. It's going to fold down on both sides. That makes it so that you can take out your lens. It pops right out like that. So that's the old clear lens. You're going to set that to the side. The next step is going to be taking off the face mask. And this is actually easier than it looks. You just take this tab and pull it apart from the goggle. So then there are the last two pieces. Set this one aside, get our new one. So then putting it back together is just about as simple as it was to take apart. We're going to just put it in all the slots. Then that locks in at the top. We're going to do that on this side as well. Now we have our new face mask on there. Get our new lens. Slide it in. And then we're just going to fold these flaps back. And then when we have the flap locking the lens in, we're going to push the strap clip back in the locked position. There it goes. And then the same thing on this side. And there, that's locked in. Redo our soft ears, hook those back up. And that is basically all there is to it. Now you have a customized Virtue Vio and thousands of different color combinations based on the pieces you choose. Thanks a lot.